Hello students, I am Dr. Yogita Lonare. This is my second video lecture which is based on theme of Huckleberry Finn, which is written by Mark Twain. Now we come to the theme of the novel. The primary theme of the novel is the conflict between civilization and natural life. Huck presents natural life through his freedom of spirit, uncivilized ways and desire to escape from civilization. He was raised without any rules or discipline and has a strong resistance to anything that might civilize him. The conflict is introduced in the first chapter through the efforts of Widow Douglas. She tries to force him to wear new clothes, give up smoking, and learn the Bible. Throughout the novel, Twain seems to suggest that the uncivilized way of life is more desirable and morally superior. Drawing on the ideas of Jean-Jacques and Rousseau, Twain suggests that civilization corrupts rather than improves human being. The theme of honor permeates the novel, where Tom Sawyer expresses his belief that there is a great deal of honor associated with thieving. Robbery appears throughout the novel, specifically when Huck and Jim encounter robbers on the shipwrecked boat and are forced to put up with the King and Dauphin, both of whom rob everywhere they meet. Tom's original robber band is paralleled later in the novel when Tom and Huck become true thieves. They resolve to steal Jim, freeing him from the bonds of slavery, which is an honorable act. Thus, the concept of honor and acting to earn become central theme in Huck's adventure. Food plays prominent role in the novel. In Huck's childhood, he often fought pigs for food and eats out of a barrel of odds and ends. Thus, providing Huck with food, it becomes a symbol. Twain focuses on quite heavily is the mockery of religion. Twain was known for his attacks on organized religion. Huck Finn's sarcastic character perfectly situates him to deride religion. In the first chapter, Huck indicates that hell sounds far more fun than heaven. King, a liar and cheat, convinces a religious community to give him money so he can change his pirate friends. The religious people are easily led astray, which mocks their beliefs and devotion to God. Superstition appears throughout the novel. Generally, Huck and Jim are very rational characters. Yet, when they encounter anything slightly superstitious, irrationally takes over. Superstition foreshadows the plot at the several key junctions. Slavery is the well-known aspect of this novel. Twain uses Jim, a main character, and a slave to demonstrate the humanity of slaves. Jim expresses the complicated human emotions and struggles with the path of his life. To prevent being sold and forced to separate from his family, Jim runs away from his owner, Miss Watson, and works towards obtaining freedom so he can buy his family's freedom. Although Twain attacks slavery through the portrayal of Jim, he never directly addresses the issue. The concept of wealth is threaded throughout the novel and highlights the disparity between the rich and poor. Twain purposely begins the novel by pointing out that Huck has over $6,000 to his name. Huck demonstrates a relaxed attitude towards wealth, and because he has so much of it, does not view money as a necessity but rather as a luxury. Huck's views regarding wealth clearly contrasts with Jim's. For Jim, money is equivalent to freedom. In addition, wealth would allow him to raise his status in society. Thus, Jim is on a constant quest for wealth, whereas Huck remains apathetic. The majority of the plot takes place on the river or its banks. For Jim and Huck, the river represents freedom. On the raft, they are completely independent and determine their own course of action. Originally, the river is a safe place for the two travelers, but it becomes increasingly dangerous as the realities of their runaway lives set in on Huck and Jim. The river soon becomes only a short-term escape, and the novel concludes on the safety of dry land, where ironically Huck and Jim find their true freedom. In this way, honor, food, superstition, religion, wealth, slavery are the major themes in the novel Huckleberry Finn. In this way, students, my second video lecture ends here. Very soon, next and the last part of my video lecture will be uploaded. Thank you.